A warm welcome. My name is Thomas Deutzmann and I welcome you today here at the wastewater treatment plant in Grüneck, just outside Munich. Today I'm glad to show you the aeration units from Aeration Tech 2 of Grüneck wastewater treatment plant near Munich. The second aeration line is designed for 40,000 population equivalents and consists of 2 parallel streets. The Wastewater Association was founded in 1961 by the municipalities of Unterschleißheim, Eching and Neufahren with the aim of building a modern sewerage system and wastewater treatment plant. As a result, construction of the first wastewater treatment plant with a capacity of 30,000 PE began in 1965. In recent years, we have been trying to implement energy efficiency measures, and we are currently working on a project with the company AERZEN, in which we have installed a Delta D50S, which should significantly reduce the energy in our biological component. Right here we are in the compressor room, where we have currently installed 4 GM25S Delta blowers and 1 new Delta Hybrid D50S. These 4 Delta blowers, GM25S, have each a volume flow range between 600 and 1,446 cubic meters per hour maximum and are designed for a pressure of 490 millibar. The new D50S Delta Hybrid is designed for volume flows between 600 and 3,100 cubic meters per hour and for a working pressure of 490 millibar as well. Until spring this year, a total of 5 Delta blowers were responsible for the entire operation here. 2 units, each for 1 aeration line for low, medium and high loads, and 1 Delta blower for the redundancy of the 2 aeration lines. A lot is changing with the new Delta Hybrid. The Delta Hybrid now takes over the low and base loads for both aeration lines. 1 Delta blower per aeration line then only supports during the high load operation. This will reduce energy demand by up to 77,000 kilowatt-hours per year. Fitting the Delta Hybrid D50S allows us to replace 3 conventional Delta blowers in our machine building. In normal operation at 500 millibar, at which our plant is running, we save around 24,000 euros a year in energy and electricity costs. After a successful test phase, we shall be able to remove 1 Delta blower in each aeration line. Overall, this will eliminate 3 Delta blowers and thus saves energy, services and repair costs for the entire wastewater treatment plant. This is an important step for the wastewater treatment plant to achieve its next goal of 150% energy independence.
Expect performance.